So we're at the Fairfield Inn by the Richmond Airport. This is the closest one to the Richmond Airport. So here we have the bathroom. Turn on some lights. Oops. Oh, let me see if I can turn on another light. Oh, goodness. Here we have the bathroom. Oh, very nice. I like the style of it. I like the tile. Very nice. I like the tile and the bathtub. I feel like they really did a good renovation. This is a renovation. Toilet, But yeah, this is a very nice um bathroom. Very nice. You have your shampoo, conditioner, body wash. Beautiful. Towels. Beautiful. Step out. Then you have a cute little area right here. Your microwave, refrigerator, and a coffee maker. Little tea bag. I like that. Coffee and your cups. Then you have a really nice mirror. Then you have two queen beds, yeah, and you have a little light by each bed. So if you need to read, oh, sorry, if you need to read, turn on that little light. Cool. Don't disturb anyone. TV, nice size desk and roll out chair, very nice. So this is, like I said, right by the airport. So it's your essentials and more. Nice lamp, another bed. You see, you have that other lamp over here. This is really nice. It's really nice. A little dusty though. A little dusty, but oh, look at the shade. And I'm right at the front of the hotel. So you can see parking lot. I open the door. So I'm right on the front side. And nice shade. You can put this down. Oh, sorry. The shade is actually the leaf design. Yeah. It's actually the leaf, but we're not gonna open that. And then you have your AC heat system. Let's see if we can work that. Oh, it says use wall thermostat. Of course I will. But yes. And here's the wall thermostat. It's actually pretty nice, so probably won't touch it. It's gonna heat. Go outside. And here's a little closet. You can hang your stuff out here. Or you can open up your closet and put things here. You have a nice iron board, an iron, and a nice little space for your luggage. So that's about it. Oh, yeah, a little ice bucket. So that's about it for the Fairfield and at the Richmond Airport. It's the closest one to the airport, and I think this is pretty nice, especially for a hotel. It's really nice, nicely designed, and especially for an airport, very nice. Near an airport, very clean. Well, somewhat clean, but we're not going to be using the microwave. But yeah, it looks very nice. I love the design. Good job, Fairfield. And all right, have a nice day. Bye.